观众朋友们，大家好，欢迎收看 Chinoy Speak。今天的课业题目是运动高尔夫。On our third Chinoy Speak learning sports, let's learn about a more refined sport. Golf.
Yes! Yes! Woo! I love playing高尔夫, golf, 高尔夫, and this is 高尔夫球, the golf ball. 高尔夫球. Now, when you play the golf, you need the 高尔夫球棒, the golf club. 高尔夫球棒. Yes! Yes! Woo!
In Chinese, golf is called 高尔夫. A golf ball is called 高尔夫球. A golf club is called 高尔夫球棒. Again, golf is called 高尔夫. Golf ball is called 高尔夫球. And a golf club is called 高尔夫球棒.
And this is where we place the golf ball. It's called 球座. 球座, the tee. And this is what we call the golf hole. 球洞. 球洞, the golf hole. Now that was a nice round, isn't it? No wonder why I love playing on this 高尔夫球场. 高尔夫球场, the golf course. 高尔夫 is not as hard as you think. You better try yourself playing this game. Woohoo! Woohoo! I got it.
The tee is called 球座. The golf hole is called 球洞. And the golf course is called 高尔夫球场. Again, the tee is called 球座. The golf hole is called 球洞. And the golf course is called 高尔夫球场. Make sure you download our free handout from our official Facebook page so you can review all these new words. I'm sure these words will come in handy when you do get to try golf. Only here on Chinoy TV, 飞华电视台. Hi guys， 欢迎在收看 Chinoy Turn。我现在要为大家介绍3家最受欢迎及热闹的餐馆的第2名。And at last, ako na lang mag-isa dito. So, ako na ito ubos ng mga pagkain mo. Isa ako si Willard. Tara. Uy, sino ba yun? Yung Chinoy TV's Notorious Food Munching Boy Group? The Hungry Birds? Tara. Uy! Uy! Hey! Ayan na. Ano ginagawa niyo dito?
Just checking our reservation. Boys right out na kami. Kaya lang.
Ay, ba't wala yung pangalan niyo dyan?
Yeah, wala nga eh.
Eh ako meron na, Chinoy TV.
Pwede. Ba't ganun? Ba't ikaw?
Wala.
Pwede ba kami sumama sa'yo? Oo, tama na lahat.
Yeah, oo.
Tama na lang kami. Yung mga kami.
Sige na.
Ganarante mo naman, Jason.
Siyempre, ako pa. Tara.
Alright.
Ay, akala ko pa naman masasolo ko. Sige, go lang, continue.
获得我们最佳热闹盛宴的第2名是富林鱼翅海鲜酒家。A feast for the eyes and the palate that is not just exquisite to look at, but also delectable to taste. Gloria Mary's Shark Street Restaurant Panto sure deserves its spot on this top 3 list.
Ready na ba kayo kumain?
Of course.
Of course.
Kanina pa.
So kaya tayo mag-start. Dito na lang. Ang tawag dito, salad peking chicken. Sinamahan niya ng bread, ng mga cherries, ng mga grapes. Diba? Iba-iba eh. Galing.
Immediately, matataste mo yung freshness ng prawn niya. And it's made unique because meron pang apple. Try naman natin ito isa.
Ang secret niya ay nandito, sa ilalim.
Ayun.
Nakita na ang iswa. Tamang-tama yung kanyang lambot. Kakaiba to, guys.
Wow!
Yin yang.
Fusion.
Tawag dito, two-toned seafood pumpkin almond soup.
Okay yung pagka-blending ng dalawang almond tsaka pumpkin.
Yun yan nga eh. Parang may harmony.
Yes.
Wow, gusto na nga yung akin.
Ito, fried prawn with shredded noodles. Nagko-complement talaga sa lasa ng prawn eh. Tapos napaka-fresh pa nung prawn.
So you guys ready to try the next dish?
Ano naman next dish?
This is called the sauteed scallop shell with crisp rice. Malambot talaga yung scallop niya. And you can taste the freshness.
Kaya niyo pa ba?
Of course.
Kaya.
Well, we're not called the Hungry Birds for nothing, you know.
Tama ka dyan. Maganda ba, Jason?
Ay,
Anong tawag?
kala nyo kayo lang may group ba? Meron din
Ano?
kami. The Chup Chup Boy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hindi mo pag Chup Chup, parang tikim-tikim lang, kurut-kurut lang sa mga pagkain.
Tandem right now. Ang ganda pala. Titikim ka, kakain ka.
Oo, exactly.
Libre mo pa. Libre mo pa.
Ano next?
Anyway, eto na tayo sa next. Fried crab with salted egg. Hindi siya sobrang maalat. Ito naman tayo, tawag dito, lotus rice.
Meron siyang mushroom, shrimp, heavy, pork, dish itself already.
Yes. Alam niyo ba kung bakit nahuhuli lagi ang rice sa mga Chinese Dorian?
No.
Kasi di ba after all the dishes, di ba malakas kumain, kagaya nyo, Hungry Birds.
Oh, yeah.
Kung hindi pa kayo nabusog doon sa mga lahat ng inihanda nila, magpakabusog na kayo sa rice sa huli. Ayan, after all the main course, desserts naman tayo ngayon.
Alright.
Kala ko hindi mo kami lilibre ng
Ay,
desserts.
syempre meron niya. First off, the White Rabbit marshmallows.
It's coated with coconut.
Tama.
That's coconut, right?
Coconut.
Yung ice niya gawa sa carrots.
Ooh.
Mo pa yun, bro, ah. Nakain ko na kasi. Pero yun nga, yung bread niya, ito yung parang nasa tart, no?
Oo, exactly.
Let's try the other dessert. This is the pumpkin dumpling.
Hindi siya sobrang tamis.
Yeah.
Meron kang diabetes. Pwede
Walang
ka nito.
problema.
Pwede.
Hi guys!
Hi.
How do you find the food in Gloria Maris?
Absolutely fantastic.
At saka yung presentation na napaka-unique talaga. Hey, since guys, nandito na rin naman kayo, award din natin ng Gloria Maris.
Alright naman.
Wow! Thank you, Chinoy TV.
Eh, picture tayo. Picture.
Okay. I'll just call myself.
Okay.
To all our patrons who voted for us in the top 3 laureates, we want to thank you. Rest assured that we will try to continue improving our Chinese food that we offer to our customers. Thank you very much to Chinoy TV, 飞华电视台 on Net 25.
Wow, 这真的很热闹哎。
我同意。
Bro, sobrang busog ako. Ikaw ba?
Ako nga, solve na for tonight's eating frenzy.
Oh, so, off to the movies na tayo.
Yeah. Kung ano, naka-boys night out pala kayo ngayon. Wait,
Do you want to join us?
hindi, next time na lang. Gagawin pa ako eh. Sayang. Pero okay lang yan, sasamahan naman ako yung Willard sa first prize winning laureate namin. Saan ba siya pumunta? Ayun, hindi kinaya yung first laureate. Next year.
我们先走了，
Bye.
以后要跟着我们看电影啊。
Sure, bye-bye.
Alright,
Bye. 你们一定很好奇哪一家收到3家最受欢迎最热闹的餐馆的第1名。那我先去找 Willard 广告后，我们一起来尝尝吧。拜拜。
And the winner is